Okay, our turkey's seasoned, and now we're gonna get it on the smoker. I like to cook indirect with a little bit of hickory and a touch of cherry wood. You don't need much smoke wood when you're smoking a turkey because it's light meat. It will penetrate the skin and into the meat pretty quickly. So again, treat your smoke wood like any other ingredient, not too much, not too little. I use 4 or 5 little chunks of smoke wood. And we're gonna go 300 degrees in the smoker, indirect. And because we spatchcocked it and it's gonna cook a little quicker, we're gonna give this, maybe 4 to 5 hours. If it's done a little early, that's fine. I would rather be looking at it than looking for it. And it can rest. Resting a turkey is completely fine. As a matter of fact, you wanna let it rest for at least 20 minutes, but if it rests an hour, it's okay. Just keep it warm, and when you serve it, it's gonna be delicious and tender because you brined it. Okay, so we're gonna get it into the smoker. And by the way, these are our new branded Barbecue Guru hot gloves. They're fantastic, and they do a perfect job for picking up anything hot metal, lifting out hot grates, pulling the firebox door open, anything like that. These are high temperature insulated gloves, and you can get them on our online store at bbqguru.com. Okay, so that turkey will be in at 300 degrees. We're gonna allow 4 to 5 hours. We want the internal breast temperature to be about 160, and we want the dark meat to be about 180 to 185. So we'll give ourselves 4 to 5 hours. It comes out a little earlier. We're gonna give it rest. Resting is fine, and you'll be ready to serve it for dinner.